pay $200 for something I can do myself.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
We have a Roku with the setup in the living room. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it
Step by step.
step by step. Yeah, we're about to go home. Let's go.
Hey guys, so me and my mom recently got rid of our cable and got a Fire Stick. And a little backstory, before we got the Fire Stick, someone tried to sell it to my mom for $150 to jailbreak it and $200 if we don't have the Fire Stick already. And that is outrageous, guys. So I did my research and we did it ourselves. So basically, we just got back from Target. We paid, just for the Fire Stick, it was $43.79. We just bought it. And this is how it is. This was the last one, guys. This is how it looks. It's Amazon Fire Stick. This is how it looks. And I'm about to open it. Well, we're about to open it now. So, me and my mom, we like the basic stuff. We like to watch some TV shows. I love watching reruns of stuff. I love movies. We love Netflix, you know, the basics. So I found the perfect one that fits us, and it might fit you as well. And I can show you other ones that we found. Well, I found with my research. So this is how it is. Comes like this. You guys know the basics. So this is how the remote looks. So I'm gonna do it in depth, step by step, for anyone who was just like me, who did not know how to do anything with it. And I refuse to pay $150. I refuse to pay $150 to do something I can look up and do myself. You slide it down and then insert the batteries that they gave me. It back. I'm gonna keep the plastic on for a second. They have roof restrictions you guys can do. This is the USB, goes in the back of the TV. The reason I'm going so fast is because I set up two already. I did mine's and my mom's, so I'm kind of familiar with this, and I just had to set up the one in the living room. This and the cord, so everything's out of these little things. This goes in the wall. Like I said, this is the USB. This, yeah. So this is all the things that it comes with, besides the remote control and the batteries. So I'm just gonna hook everything up together, and then I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to put it in the TV. So this is how it looks. That's upside down. Okay, it's not. I don't want to force it. There we go. I mean, like, put a little strength in it. This part, it goes in here. Upside down. And then the back of it goes into this, and then this goes into the wall, and this part goes into the TV. So that's it. And then let's get into the real tutorial, guys. Okay, so now that everything's hooked up, I'm going to share with you how to put it onto your TV and how to download the free movies, live TV, and all that good stuff. Before we start, it's a good idea to set up an Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can start it right now. If you do, just have your username, or I think it's the email, and the password ready, because you're going to need that to continue. We're on your home page now, so we can go straight to your settings. Go to My Fire Stick. And go down to Developer Options. Click on both of these and switch it to on. So that's it. Now your Fire Stick has been jailbroke. Now let's go to the fun stuff, which is adding all the movies and live streaming. You want to go back to your home page, click on search, So you can type in downloader, or you can even use the voice button on your remote control and say developer. So once it popped up, you can push open it and download, and allow it to download. Once it's done, push OK. It does not allow you to download right then and there. That means your account at Amazon has not been linked. So link it right now. And you want to ignore all the pop-ups that come on. Just push dismiss. In the URL section, you're going to type in these words. I'm going to put the exact words on the bottom of the screen for you guys can type it as I type as well. So it's going to be bit.ly/file the link. Press go and install. So this is the code 14720,896. Dismiss. Now you're going to want to go to MX Player. So MX Player will allow you to play the movies that we're about to stream. Now click on IP Vanish. So this one, it allows you to be anonymous online. So basically your provider will not know what you're doing. So you want to click the play button and then install, then done. Okay, so now let's go to one of me and my mom's favorites, the Cinema APK. This one is where you get the newer movies. You can rewatch your reruns, stuff that I like. So you're just going to download it, install, and then push done. Now I'm going to do that same process for all the ones that fit you. The only ones that I'm going to do is the Cinema and the Live TV. Those are the two ones that are my go-to. So now let's go to Live Net TV. On Live Net TV, this is where you can watch live TV, sports, and all that. So you do the same process again, download, install, done. So now you're going to want to press the home button on your remote. Those apps that we just downloaded to be in the front so that we can see it. So this is what you're going to want to do. Down to the second row, and then scroll over to the right and click See All. Now scroll all the way to the bottom. That's where the new apps that you download. Anytime you download something, it'll be all the way at the bottom. Go all the way to the bottom, and then on your remote, it's 3 lines. You're going to want to push that. Move to the front. And you want to do that to each of the apps that we downloaded. Okay, so now that's done, let's go to Cinema, and then we're going to change some settings around so it can fit you perfectly. Accept it. So this is Cinema, so this is all the TV shows. If you want to switch it to movies, just go all the way to the top and then push the drop box and then change it to TV shows. And vice versa for movies. So it's a few things that you need to change in the settings. So go to the settings right now. Go to choose default player. Click on MX Player because that's what we just downloaded in the beginning. Okay, so now that the settings is all done, I'm going to show you how to play one of the movies. I know it sounds like, okay, I know how to play a movie, but it's kind of difficult in the beginning if no one tells you how to do it. So let's just click on any movie. Now as you see on the screen, it's a play button that you can push, and on the side is all these different links with numbers, right? So you can just push the play button in the middle. It's going to play the best one, right? The best option. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the movies. Let me show you how to do a TV show. I know it sounds like it's like self-explanatory, but I'm still gonna go through it. You can skip this if you guys already know how to do it. So let's go to the TV shows. Now I'm going to click on any TV show, and once you click on any TV show, it shows you the seasons, right? So we click on the season, and then you can scroll over to see which episode you want to see of that season. And I love watching TV shows on here. This is how I catch up on all my reruns and Law and Order. This is where I go. Now let's go back to the home page so I can show you how to do the live TV. So now go to live TV. Update it if it needs to be updated. And then push continue. Messages might pop up for you to uninstall the previous version. So if that pops up, just say okay and let them do that. When you first open the app, it's going to be a lot of foreign TV stations and all that. So you want to change that. So go to the top corner and go to hide countries. Now this is a perfect, this is your personal preference. I'm going to click everything except United States and international. If you do click international, you will, some of the TV shows that are US, it won't pop up. So just click it to be on the safe side. I mean, don't click it to be on the safe side. The video player and make sure it's on MX player. You remember that the same thing that, you remember the MX player is the thing that we downloaded in the beginning. Then push back. Now this is all the live TV shows. So when you press 1, there's gonna be links. It's gonna be like a link 1, link 2. I've seen some that has like 5 different links. If one doesn't work, go to the next one. So always go to the first one, then the second one. It's kind of tedious, but hey, it's the free stuff. So what are you gonna do? So I hope that my tips were helpful for anyone who is trying to jailbreak a Firestick. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I talk about so much stuff. You will always be entertained on my channel.